Hey everyone, so today I'm back with an unboxing video to share with you guys. So some of you may know that I moved into a pocket bullet journal for my planner system, and I must tell you guys that I am loving it so much. I'll show you really quick what I'm working with. It's just a simple Moleskine hardcover notebook with grid paper. Super simple. I'll do a separate video on my setup and everything. It's still a work in progress, but I just wanted to show you guys what I'm working with so you could get an idea of why I placed this order. So the cover is already a hardcover, but knowing me, if I'm going to toss this in my purse a lot, I kind of want to protect it since I'm going to use it for the remaining of the year. So I decided to search for a cover. I just searched on Etsy and I came across this company here. It is my first time ordering from this company, so I am pretty excited to try their product out. I haven't really seen that many reviews on this company as well, so I thought it would be helpful to share this with you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up since I haven't yet. But I must tell you one thing about their shipping. It was super fast. I ordered it on a Friday, I believe. I think it was over the weekend, and I got it like a few days after, which I think was super awesome. So, okay. Oh, I didn't even show you guys, sorry. So this is the packaging. I can't show you the underneath because it has my information, but it's super, oh wow. It comes packaged like this. So it's just wrapped like so. And it's actually a little bit bigger than I expected. So that's that. We'll put that on the side. Wow. It's actually really nice quality. It's kind of, what's the word? I'm trying to give you a description of how this feels, but it's not too stiff. And I mean, you can see it's like still bendable. It feels really nice. Oh my gosh, it's really nice. So let me do a 360 for you guys so you can get a better idea of what it looks like. Let me focus out really quick. Here's the front, here's the back, here's the spine, and here's the opening. And as you guys can see, the edges aren't finished, which I actually really like because it kind of gives it like a rustic look. So that's pretty cool. And really quick, I'll show you guys up close how the stitching looks like. It's pretty clean. So that is a plus. I'm gonna move this box out of the way because I think it's like interfering with the color. Here's what the inside looks like. I chose the standard design, and I believe you could customize it as well to your style, but I just went with the simple 2 slits and the full-length pocket. There's also a slit here for your notebook to go through. And one thing that's totally sold me on this was this slit right here. So if you guys know that the Moleskine notebooks come with the elastic. So of course, if I was to put this into another type of cover, I wouldn't be able to utilize the elastic. So what is super awesome about this, and I'll go ahead and demonstrate it while I have all of this here. I'm going to take out the stuff I have in here. So I'm just going to slide this through. All right, okay, I think I got it. Okay, so there you go. Wow, this is so cool. I love it. I love this option. So this is what it looks like closed with the elastic attached. So you just have to slide the notebook a little bit out of the slot right here so you can actually close it. And another thing is, so if you're worried about this part just leaving or like staying like this, like open, what you can do is use the elastic to hold it closed. Isn't that cool? I think that is so awesome, and that's definitely one thing that sold me on this. I love it. I love it so much, you guys. So, all right, back to the actual cover. So on the bottom here, it's embossed with the company name, which is really nice. Actually, it's not that big. After putting the notebook in here, I don't know, the first like glance at it, I thought it was gonna be, I thought it was bigger, but now that I have the notebook in it, it's not even bad at all. So let's see, I have a few pens here to just mess around with. I plan to put an elastic pen loop over here. So I just want to see, oh, nice. So even if you were to add a pen, the pen doesn't stick out too much. I have different sizes, but I'm not sure. Once the elastic loop's in there, I don't know how that's gonna work. But I mean, nonetheless, it's nice. Or you could just leave your pen in here if you want. I don't know if that's gonna help. Maybe not a bulky pen, but if you have one like this, you could just slide that through and then cover it with your elastic, like so. Oops. Okay, maybe it's not a good idea to put the pen, or actually it's not bad. There. But it kind of takes away from the edge, so maybe putting a pen in there isn't the best idea. But there you go. So if you guys are looking for a cover for your pocket notebooks or any size notebooks, they make a bunch of other styles and it's pretty awesome. So I'll link, of course, their information and everything for you guys, and even their Instagram too as well, because they post daily, or not daily, but they post often, like their designs and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys found this helpful. I honestly love it. I love it. It looks super cool and just very sleek and classic. So there you have it, guys, my little review on this Moleskine cover. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I will get back to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.